IELTS idioms you must know. Practice makes perfect. It means to improve by practicing. Example: my teacher said that practice makes perfect, so I need to practice more. Break a leg. It means to wish someone good luck. Example: I hope you do really well. Break a leg. Driving me up the wall. It means something that annoys you. Example: waiting for my results is really driving me up the wall. Better late than never. It means it's better to do something late than not to try it. Example: I didn't know how to drive till I was 30, but better late than never. Blind as a bat. It means bad eyesight. Example: I'm as blind as a bat. I really need my reading glasses. Day and night. It means continually working. Example: I was studying day and night for my IELTS test. Drop out. It means to leave without finishing. Example: she dropped out of the course because it was too hard. Learn by heart. It means to memorize. Example: I learned all my idioms by heart. Pass with flying colors. It means to pass a test with a high grade. Example: I really hope I pass with flying colors. Bookworm. It means someone who reads a lot. Example: when I was younger, I was a bookworm. I just loved reading. Child's play. It means very easy to do. Example: learning how to play a guitar was child's play. I could do it easily. Like a kid in a candy store. It means very excited about something. Example: when I arrived in the city, I was like a kid in a candy store. There was so much to see and do. To follow in someone's footsteps. It means to do as another person did. Example: I followed in my mother's footsteps and became a teacher. To run in the family. It means qualities that are similar in a family. Example: you're all good at maths. It runs in the family. To show promise. It means to indicate possible success. Example: the new vaccine is showing promise. Once in a blue moon. It means rarely. Example: my sister lives in Alaska, so I only see her once in a blue moon. Piece of cake. It means very easy. Example: I finished my homework early today. It was piece of cake. Cup of tea. It means favorite. Example: I really love learning handicraft. It's my cup of tea. Over the moon. It means very happy. Example: she was over the moon when her boyfriend proposed to her. An arm and a leg. It means very expensive. Example: I can't afford buying a house. It costs an arm and a leg. Throw in the towel. It means give up. Example: I've spent too much time on this project to throw in the towel now. Under the weather. It means be very sick. Example: despite being under the weather, she attended the meeting. Against the clock. It means not having time to do something. Example: we have to work against the clock to complete this project. Burn the midnight oil. It means to work late into the night. Example: students often burn the midnight oil to prepare thoroughly for the exams. A white lie. It means to tell a lie that is not very serious. Example: I don't think you should get in trouble for telling a white lie. To see the full video of color idioms, tap this screen.